Hi friends, so today I bought this product gimbal from Amazon. So I'm doing a review and unboxing quickly. Okay, so here it is a DIGITEK 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for smartphone. Okay, so let me tell you, if somebody have a budget like 5,000 or 6,000, within that they want to they want to buy a product which they should, it should be under budget, and they don't want to compromise with the product quality as well. They can go for with this is really good. This can be very easily, this can be used very easily outside, for your personal purpose, also for like if you're doing some videos, technical videos, or it could be anything. This is really good. Okay, and this with this you can fulfill all your needs. I mean, this will fulfill all your needs, so no need to worry. Let's open the accessories and see. Okay, sorry, I forgot to mention the features what are this DIGITEK provides. It has a mode of function, on and on off button, of course that should be there, object detection, and okay, so this has a USB, so I think, right, so with this we can charge our mobile as well. Okay, while charging your mobile you can do your recording as well, so there will be no such situation where your mobile goes off and where your video will be disconnected, right? And we have a joystick feature up, which allows you pan tilt kind of a style and speed. Okay, 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 app. Okay, so some features about app also they have given here. Okay, so here it is the details about the DIGITEK 3-axis gimbal stabilizer button and function they have given. Okay, right, specifications: input volume and input voltage, operation current, pitch angle range, roll angle range, pan angle range, controller, pitch angle, controllable roll angle. Okay, so they have given a little bit detailed information. Whoever want to want to go through with this details, they can check. I don't understand this all. I meant for only just recording a video, so I'll go through with the product and the accessories. Wow, the box style of making this box, I get to remember a musical instrument, um guitar, right? The type of design they have made is really good. Let me open quickly. Let me keep it aside. Wow, the way they have given this gimbal structure box is really good. The packing is really nice. Let me open. Yeah, wow, this is really cool. Okay, this is a place where you can attach your mobile. Okay, right, cool. Okay, as I was telling you about a joystick, this is a button. Okay, so where once you set up this device, you can use it easily. And this is a on button. Okay, this is a on button. This is a mode change button, and here there is a small thread given for to extend the height. I mean, I can show you. Hold on. Right. So this is the device. I mean the, what do you call, tripod stand. You need to do like this. I think you need to attach this one here. Yeah, here you go, and like this. Yeah, see, it's so cool. Okay guys, I want to tell you one difference. While you buy this, and what is a benefit you are going to, and what is a major benefit and what is a major difference when you with the normal tripod and this gimbal. See, while you use a normal tripod, you need to, there will be manual, so much of manual intervention is required for that. If you want to change the angle of a mobile, while you have attached it and you want to change the angle, it is not so easy, so much difficult, because there too much of the device where you want to set it, it is too difficult to change the position from in the tripod, whereas here you can see so easy. And you don't need to change by manually by your hand. You can operate through this button. I'll show you all those details. Okay, just be with me for some more time. Okay, I am going with the this I am going to tell about you these details, how to use. So these are the accessories they have given. A belt which will be get sticked with this box, and then you can carry easily anywhere, like a school bag. You can or a college bag. You can travel while you just while sticking. Okay, let me open and show you, make it more easy. Okay, they have strapped. Okay, this looks very cool. So, okay, right. Wow, so interesting. Okay friends, this is too tight, so this is going to more no, this is going to take more time. I'm just showing you quickly. You can do by yourself. It is easy. A strap is given, which has a locking system, where you want to open this one and just put it stick it on this place, and it will be easy to carry anywhere. So keep it aside. And I told you about this, just keep it aside. Okay, this is a tag they have given it. So you can that if you're going outside and holding this one, there will be chance of a slipper and get slip from your hand. So that kind of a position, there will be less chance when you hold this one in your hand like this, or put it in hand fully like this. And this one, this one goes inside of this two hole. There is a two small hole. Okay, you need to pass through with this. This one you need to pass through with this, and then just lock it, and then it will be easy for you. So that is the purpose of this tag. Keep it aside. Okay, this is, let me open. This is a cable they have given, right? This can be used for connecting to your mobile, pairing your mobile physically for first time. Also your mobile will be getting charged through this. If there is a power in this gimbal, that power will be shared with the mobile as well. So your mobile will be keep charging if there is a battery going down. Okay, so there is a less chance you will get your battery will never go down while recording a video, of course. So that will be cool. Let me keep it aside. So we are done with the unboxing gimbal, and let me now make it on and tell you how this can be used. Okay, give me a few minutes. I'm going to pause the video for a sec. Okay, back with the video. Let's see, I'm making it on now. I have sticked the mobile, as it looks like this. There are two locking system, one is here for holder and another one is here for to adjust like this, how kind of you want as per your convenience. And this will be rotating, right? Cool. So now let's test with this mobile how this works, mobile with the gimbal connectivity. So I'm making it on. This is a button, as I shown you. Just hold it for few seconds, right? Do you see indication? Okay, it is turning on. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. I am removing this. Let's wait for it to turn on. Because what happens sometime when the mobile weight is more than the capacity of this gimbal, which can hold a size of mobile, if it is a if it is a heavy, then this does not turn on. This give you keep on kind of indicator like a red and blue. So I'm making it off once again. I'm trying to turn on once again. Let's see. Now you'll see a normal behavior, how it turns on. It's taking a time. Let's wait for some more minutes. Okay, the gimbal has been set up. So I suggest read the instructions. Without reading the instruction how to install, please don't use it, because it will be very difficult to understand a gimbal configuration, how to set up, if you don't know, if you're doing it for first time. So now here it is how it has been set up. I'm removing a tripod stand. You see, this will be like this. If you rotate this, if you move this joystick left side, this will go right side. If you move this right side, it will go left side. And if you make it top, you see the rotation will get changed. If you make it down, it will go, it will show you, it will turn the mobile position up. This is how it is easy to operate. This looks very nice. And if you want to change a mode of a screen, like, just a second, I have not configured this yet, so this will take. See, if the gimbal feels that there is a weightage or wrong position, this will behave like this. A red blue kind of a error will be there. So it is too difficult to operate. You should be have a little bit of knowledge, and you will learn. This is not that so difficult, but it requires some time to get it comfortable with this gimbal, how to operate. Okay, so you need to download the related app to better more conveniently. Since my gimbal is not charged, not does not have a battery, so I need to connect to the power. I downloaded the app. I downloaded the app, and just give me a moment. I'm trying to turn on so that I can show you how it connects to the Bluetooth. I downloaded the app. Let me turn on this. It will be like this when you download the app. Okay, it finds you. Yeah, since I already paid, so it directly connected. But if it is not connected, you will get it like this, and you need to see, you need to find a device, and then it will search for the device, and yeah, it will be like this, and you need to connect it, and it will connect, and it will open the window like this, right? And from here, you can manage your device settings. Since the battery is low, so it's disconnecting every time. You can see the functions. There are a lot of functions. It is easy to use, but remember that your gimbal is completely charged. Okay, so that it can be properly, you can be able to fully use. For first time you need to charge fully, and then your gimbal will be ready to use. So thank you all. This is about all the reviews and the test feedback I've given. If there are anything you would like to suggest or give a comments, please let me know. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.